Calabash. In Central America, the seeds of the bottle gourd are toasted and ground with other ingredients, including rice, cinnamon, and allspice, to make the drink horchata. The calabash tree, Crescentia cujete, is known locally as Moro or Jacaro, that is another calabash. In Colombia and Venezuela, the calabash tree is known as a tuparo or totumo. It is another calabash plant. It is frequently used in southern Chinese cuisine in either a stir-fry or a soup. The Mandarin name for calabash is hulu, simplified Chinese. Traditional Chinese. Pinyin. Hulu, or huzi, Chinese. Pinyin. Huzi. Two common kinds of calabash are sold in Chinese stores. The opo kind, which is elongated but still plump, and magua, which translates to hairy squash. It is very similar to opo, but it has hairs, as its Chinese name references. The hairs, although small, can become embedded in the skin, but it is usually safe for adults to handle. In Japan, the species is known as hyotan or yugo, with the former word referring particularly to the larger fruiting variety whose fruits are used mostly for making containers or other handicrafts, and the latter referring to the smaller fruiting variety whose fruits are more edible. Names used to refer particularly to the fruit of one or another variety of this species include fuku and hisago. It is most commonly sold in the form of dried, marinated strips known as kampyo and is commonly used as an ingredient for making makizushi, rolled sushi. In Korea, both the plant and its fruit are known as bak. Traditionally, the inside has been eaten as potherbs and the outside cut in half to make bowls. In Korean cuisine, fresh or dried flesh of bak is used as namal vegetable. Dried flesh of bak, called bagoji, makes a good addition to japchae and gimbap. Ingredients. Dishes. In Italian cuisine, it is known as cucuzza, plural cucuzzi. In Arabic, it is called kara. In Aramaic, it is called kura. In the Talmudic period, the young fruits were boiled, whilst the mature fruits were eaten as dessert. The tender young gourd is cooked as a summer squash. In Bangladesh, it is called lao or kadu. In India, it is known as lauki, lao, duty, or jia. In Hindi, Urdu, Gujarati, Bengali, Marathi, lao. In Odia, aal. In Marwari, churaka. In Malayalam, jadalau. In Assamese, sorakaya. Or in Apakaya. In Telugu, udi bopala. In Marathi, sorakai. In Kannada, sajmane. In Maithili and labu. In Sinhalese and Saraikai, colloquially sorakai. In Tamil, a popular North Indian dish is lauki chana, chana dal and diced gourd in a semi-dry gravy. In the state of Maharashtra in India, a preparation similar to lauki chana is popular. However, the skin is removed prior to making the dish. The skin is used in making a dry spicy chutney preparation. In Nepal, it is called lauka. In Pakistan, the calabash is known as kadu or lauki in Urdu, and kadu in Punjabi and Pashto. In Sri Lanka, it is used in combination with rice to make a variety of milk rice, labu karabath, which is one of the popular native dishes among Sri Lankans. In Burma, it is known as buthi, a popular fruit. Young leaves are also boiled and eaten with spicy hot, fermented fish sauce called napit. In the Philippines, it is known as upo. In Vietnam, bu, opo squash bucanh, or bu nam is a very popular vegetable, commonly cooked in soup with shrimp, meatballs, clams, various fish like freshwater catfish or snakehead fish, or crab. Opo squash is also commonly stir-fried with meat or seafood, or incorporated in hot pot. It is also as a medicine. The shoots, tendrils, and leaves of the plant may also be eaten as greens.